Hey everyone, what's good? I'm your cyber guide, GeoKing, also known as the Linux nerd, and today we are about to jump straight into the world of Linux fundamentals and ethical hacking. Now, before we get started, some of you might be wondering, who's this GeoKing guy and why is he showing up on the MasaudSec channel? Well, allow me to introduce myself properly. I've been deep in the tech game since 2018, mastering the art of Linux systems, malware analysis, and cyber defense. Over the years, I've worked with passionate Gen Z learners, helping them move from total beginners to confident professionals in the world of cybersecurity. I've seen the frustration, the confusion, and the excitement that comes with learning Linux for the first time. Trust me, I've been there too. You know, when I started, I had no mentor, no guidance, just me, my laptop, and a terminal that looked like it was written in alien language. Every command felt like a mystery, every permission error felt like a trap. But through those struggles, I found my strength. I began to understand that Linux isn't just an operating system, it's the foundation of cybersecurity, the tool that separates amateurs from professionals. After years of teaching and exploring, I realized something important. People don't need more theory. They need real, practical, hands on knowledge that can actually help them build a career. And that's exactly what led me to partner with my brother in arms, MasaudSec. One day, he hit me up and said, "Bro, let's create something that actually helps people learn for real." That one conversation changed everything. Together, we decided to build something powerful, something that takes you from zero to hero in Linux and cybersecurity. That's how MasaudSec Academy came to life, a platform built to turn learners into professionals ready for the real world. Our mission is crystal clear: to help you master essential cybersecurity skills, understand real world attacks and defenses, and prepare for top industry certifications. We're not here to just fill your brain with jargon or fancy words. We're here to make you job ready. Whether you want to become a penetration tester, a forensics analyst, a blue team defender, or even a malware researcher, we've got you covered. Through our upcoming videos, courses, and tutorials, you'll learn how to build a strong foundation in Linux system administration, master command line operations and scripting like a pro, explore the tools and techniques used by real ethical hackers, defend systems from real world cyber threats, and most importantly, turn your passion into a profession. We'll be covering both offensive and defensive cybersecurity. You will see real demonstrations, real tools, and real techniques used by pros in the field. Every tutorial, every lesson is built to move you closer to becoming the cybersecurity professional you dream to be. And guess what? We're not keeping this journey limited to just YouTube. You'll find tons of valuable resources, downloadable materials, and in-depth learning paths on the MasaudSec website. The links down below in the description. You can enroll in our MasaudSec Academy, join our cyber community, and start leveling up from day one. At the end of the day, my goal is simple. I want to help you become fearless with Linux and unstoppable in cybersecurity. I want you to open that terminal with confidence, understand every command, and know exactly how systems are attacked and defended in the real world. Because once you master Linux and cybersecurity, you don't just learn a skill, you gain power, freedom, and opportunity. So, if you're ready to begin your journey into the cyber world, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and stay tuned for our upcoming sessions. Drop your questions in the comments. I'll be reading them all. And if you want to know more about course enrollments or mentorship, reach out directly to my bro, MasaudSec. This is just the beginning. Together, we're going to unlock your true potential, sharpen your skills, and get you ready to conquer the cybersecurity world. Until next time, stay safe, stay curious, and as always, peace out, my cyber warriors.